Hello, in front of me I've got MEIZU M8. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. At the beginning enter settings and tap on display and brightness. Here we've got all settings for our display. At the beginning you can turn on or off auto brightness or change brightness manually. Next we can set auto lock between 30 seconds and 30 minutes. Next we've got screen zoom and font size. Let's set it normal, and also font size. Also let's set it medium. Okay. Next we've got easy mode. It looks like this. Let me turn it off. And let's go further to app full screen display. Here you can set apps to work on full display. And the last things are eye-friendly mode, better known as night shift, color temperature, and auto rotate screen. Which is not working right now. But that's it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.